And today we're asking the question, or you asked the question, what renovations can I do to my home that are going to immediately add to my value? Now, first and foremost, nothing is better than a coat of fresh paint. So I know if you're like me, you probably painted your living room that fancy mustard green color from a while ago. It's not cool anymore. So right now, what you probably want to do is just make it all a neutral white. Grays are super in, but I'm not sure how long that's going to last. So you can't really go wrong with a white. Now, how much does that cost? Paint is actually pretty expensive right now. It's like $75 a gallon. So it's no joke, but it's a heck of a lot cheaper than most home renovations are right now. Besides that, I think the other low-hanging fruit's going to be finishing your basement, especially if you're looking to rent it out or get a roommate or anything like that. I've seen a lot of decent garage conversions that are pretty cool. You know, a home renovation from like a perspective, what everyone wants, like the kitchen and the bathrooms, those are so expensive. Of course, they add to your value, but they don't add as much as they cost. So, you know, a little bit of finish work, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of decluttering, and some paint is going to go a long way. I'm going to publish for you in this Dear Claire video the renovation values that you get when you do things. And it's funny because the thing that's most important is like painting your front door or painting your rooms. Those are going to bring you the most value for your buck. But there's a few projects in there that are pretty cool, that are pretty fun to know about. So as always, it's a pleasure to see you. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you next week on our Home Happy Hour. You take care. Bye.